ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj gifted us a beautiful message today regarding that when you are distracted, when you are away from the road, when you are not following the true path and you are in a company of those who distracted, so you will never get satisfied. So what is the purpose of the life? The purpose of the life is to get back to you, get connected to you. So how you gonna connect with yourself? When you gonna bring all distractions back to united with yourself? When you gonna control all distractions that are dividing your mind into more fragments? Because our mind lives in the fragments. How much we distracted, how much more we distracted, our mind had more distractions. Our mind has more fragments. The more fragments, the more disturbed we are. So the reason behind our disturbance, the reason behind our anger, the reason behind our frustration, the reason behind our upsetting, the reason behind our imbalanced lifestyle is the distraction. The distraction is a trishan. What is trishan? Trishan meaning when you are not in a attitude of gratitude, when you don't say thank you, when you don't say thanks for what you have, how much you enjoy, how much you give the gratitude, you're gonna get more peace. But a human being, today's human being is full of hollowness. The hollowness that is getting him towards distraction. So Guruji says that the trishan meaning not satisfied what you have. Guruji advises us that look at those people, look at those dictators, look at those landlords who had a lot of land. Those kings have big kingdoms, but they never get satisfied because they always look for others. They always look for other places and they never get satisfied. They never learned to sit with the self. They never learned to recognize the real self. That's why they left this world empty handed. You should see, you should look, you should learn from the lessons from their life. The history books are full of their follies, their frivolousness, their weaknesses. So Guruji advises that Bikhiya mein hai. Bikhiya meaning in the distractions nobody gets satisfaction. So how the distractions divides us? ज्यों पावक ईंधन नहीं तुरापे, like पावक meaning of fire. Fire never satisfied with woods. Doesn't matter how many woods you put on fire, it will burn up and make them into ashes. In the same way, if you want satisfaction, if you want peace in your life, if you want serenity in your life, you just need to make a U-turn from these distractions towards unitedness. You recognize, you watch yourself, watch your thoughts, understand your real self through Gurbani, through the teachings of the Guru. When you gonna learn all that stuff and when you gonna connect with Guruji, your all distractions gonna get united. They will become your real strength and you will get akai meaning satisfied. Your life will be fulfillment. Your life will become a source of beauty and bliss, and this is the way we can have more satisfaction when we get the attitude of the gratitude. Attitude of the gratitude actually a U-turn from worldly pleasures and towards oneness. When we become one, the oneness is the real purpose of the life. ਬੇਅੰਤ ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਚੁੱਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ